Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to blur your background in Streamlabs for 2025. Perfect if you want a clean, professional look without showing everything behind you. Let's jump in. First open Streamlabs so desktop on your PC or Mac and log in to your account. Make sure your webcam is already added as a video source in your scenes. Then select webcam source. If your scenes find your webcam source in the sources panel, right click on it and click the settings gear icon and choose an filters. This is where you will add the blur effect. Then you can see this sense, and in the filters menu click the plus button under effect filters, and you can see also mm, then choose blur and give it name like background blur. Then adjust the blur strength slider. Here you can see the slider, and the higher the value the more blur your background will be. And isolate the background to blur only the background, and note yourself you will need to use the Streamlabs virtual background features or a plugin like background removal. If using Streamlabs built-in, go to settings, then video virtual background and enable it, and then choose blur. If using the background removal filter, add it before the blur filter so you webcam separate you from the background. Then apply blur to just the background layer. To blur you only background and yourself, you need to use the Streamlabs virtual background features or plugin like background removal. And if you're using Streamlabs built-in, then apply it, go to your live preview and see how it looks. Move around a bit to make sure the blur doesn't cut into your outline. If it does, adjust the sensitivity in the background removal filters. And good lighting helps your camera separate you from the background better. If your PC is older, lowering blur strength can reduce lag, and you can combine blur with an image or video background for a creative look. And that's it, you know how to blur your background in Streamlabs for 2025. If you found this guide helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.